So this anurag is that Krishna is sweeter than sweet at every moment. It's Shravan Maina, heavy rain coming. So Radha and Krishna, the Sakhis make an arrangement. Oh, it's too much barish in Radhakund. So before the Madhyan Leela, some Sakhis and Manjaris, Rati Manjari and maybe Vishaka and Tulsi Manjari and some of different Manjaris, they go to Govardhan in a Giri Kandara. They go to Govardhan, Giriraj Parvat, Govardhan Hill, and there's many caves there. They're rahasya, they're for Madhurya Leela. So no one if you don't have adhikar, you can't see those caves. If you don't have qualification, you cannot see. If you don't have qualification, you can't see Krishna's footprints in Vrindavan and Radharani's footprints. Sometimes you may go somewhere to Sakhi Parvat in Barsana or different places and Baro Baitan, Chota Baitan. There are many footprints of Krishna there from his lilas and Radha and Krishna gopis, Barsana and Nandagram Kepas, near Nandagram. And you may go there with your Gurudev, your teacher, and he'll show you, here's Krishna's footprints, and here's a tali, here's a dona, and many things are there in the rocks, printed, you can see. Then Guru goes to Goloka Vrindavan, then you go back by yourself. And you bring some yatris. I'll show you Krishna's footprints. And you go to the same place you were 2 years ago. And you're looking around. You're not seeing. So with the Premi Bhakta, the Dham is Prakat.